What's going on, everybody? Keybeard in the lock shed today. Thank you for joining me for this fun picking adventure. On this video, I've actually already picked it. I am making the introduction after I picked it because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get that open tonight. Oh man, is this lock a doozy. I'm going to show it to you here in a minute. I just want to talk about what it's all about. So this one has a keyway that is just so evil, you guys. Just so evil. More creepier than the creepy doll. And I'm going to show you the keys first. And I'll show you this one was a Winkhaus. And here is the keyway. Look at that. Just straight low, high, low, high, low. This was not specifically cut for me. I just bought these guys off of eBay, and it is a great bidding. And I don't know if you can see too much on the keyway this way, but oops, there we go. It's a little bit fun. You can see, so it's got these 3 little dimples here, 2 dimples here. What those are is these Winkhouses have pins on the side for key regulating, something like that. As I say at the end, there's nothing to do with the picking. You can ignore those. There's not like a side dimple pin. It's just a way of making sure these keys don't get duplicated. And as long as these need to be in the same spot, you're good to go. Either way, they don't really do anything for you picking wise. Now let's show you the lock itself. This is, oh, my phone is dying. This is the Winkhaus Z21F SWB1. I don't know if that's the actual name of the core, but look at that keyway. That is a monster of a heck of a keyway right there. And yeah, so this thing was a fighter. I managed to get it open. It took me like an hour to play with it. I was picking at it, trying to make a video of it. It was just fighting me the entire time. Let me get a key in there. I can show you how it works nicely. Look at that. Ooh, so good. We're gonna gut it at the end. And real quick, before my phone dies, I'm going to show you the tools that I used. I actually used a bottom of the keyway multi-pick. They're 1 millimeter. It works perfectly because you want it to sit right there, because you want to actually cover that up so your pick doesn't fall in, and you can use that ledge to pick up, and you have nice control over that core, because you're going to want to go, put pressure down, but you're going to want to lift up for those spools in there. Oops, spoiler alert. And then, of course, for picking, I was using, they actually put my name on there for me, Southern Specialties elephant trunk set. And you have to use the 0.016. This pick actually works really great in this one. It has a good enough lift on it, and a nice little grabber, just like an elephant trunk. That's what they do. Nice little grabber for those pins, and it does fit nicely inside that ledge right there, and still able to let you go straight up into those pins and try to push them past this other V part of the keyway. But enough talking, guys. Here comes the video of the picking, and hope you guys enjoy. Oh. Okay, let's gut it. I'm calling it a win, guys. Whoo! Okay. Zoom out. Keep it on camera. All right, the moment I let go of this, it's going to spring back to locked in position, but it's open. That, guys, was a tough pick. It's all about that keyway. If you notice, that was me trying to give up in the end, just raking it, or I guess you can say raking or zipping to get back into that false set until I finally got it open. But I'm going to count it. An open's an open, right, guys? So let's pull it out. There we go. Set him aside. Okay, I need my handy dandy tiny. Yeah, come on. There we go. Get on out of there. Yeah. There we go. And I'm gonna need the keys. You can see, look at the keyway. Just straight low, high, low, high, low. Let's put that in there. And that'll work. And I need this follower. Yeah, that'll do. And yep, there we go. Okay, there are ball bearings in this thing, and you can see it's for what do you call it? Key control. So there's 3 ball bearings on this side, 2 ball bearings on that side. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump them. Maybe. Or not, maybe they'll just fall out later. If I pull the key out. Okay. Alright, let's start here. 1. Oops, that's 2. There we go. 1. That's 4. That's 5. That is 3. There we go. All right, you can see there's nothing scary in the core. I mean, the only thing that's scary is just that keyway. I mean, that thing is what makes this lock a pain in your lock. Tweezers. Where's my tweezers? Where's my tweezers? Guys, I've lost my tweezers. Where could they have run off to? Oh, they actually weren't where they're supposed to be. Put away. All right, let's start with, come up with that. Chamber 1, we got a standard. Chamber 2, we have a spool, a nice deep long spool. Chamber 3, we have a T-pin. Okay, I'm going to start over at the bottom. Chamber 5, we got a standard. Okay, number 4, we have another spool. I'm just going to dump the springs because I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Missing one. Number 3. There you go. There we go. Look at that. Let's reorganize them. There we go. All right. And nothing special in the core. Like, you can see those ball bearings do nothing in this core. Oh, except for that part. So this is where the ball bearings are in the Bible. If your key is not cut the right way in that order for the ball bearings, it won't let you turn that core. But picking wise, they're not in your way, because I'm gonna put one. I'll put one in the wrong spot if I can get one out. There we go. So I'm gonna put one in the wrong spot, and you'll see what kind of happens. Let's see. So I'm supposed to be in the 3 spot. I'm gonna put him in the 4 spot. Oops. So right now you can see without the key, they're nice and flush, but with the key, they still nice and flush, except for that guy, because he's being pushed up. And if that's happening inside the Bible, you're not going to be able to turn this core. So that's why you got to have these in the order. And also why these do not matter for your picking, because they're going to be down anyway inside your core. There it is, folks. This was a doozy of a lock, just because of that keyway. I mean, look at that thing. You can see. So I was using this as my ground floor, this little wall, but you still got to get up and in there to get that key or get those pins high enough. And that's what is the fun of this one. So before this video, I've been probably picking this thing for an hour, just trying to get it. I picked it twice before this, making a video. So this is actually my 3rd time opening this lock. But there it is, folks. And if you think that's a bad keyway, well, let me introduce you to its brother. That is just a horrifying keyway. I haven't even tried to throw a pick down yet. I don't even know where to start. So if you even start on that right there, you got like no chance of getting a pick up in there. You got to kind of have like something here, I guess. But that is a mean one. I mean, look at even the key is cut mean too. Again, it has the key restricting ball bearings, or pins, I guess. They're not really ball bearings. Yeah. But here it is, folks. The Winkhaus padlock, picked and gutted. I can finally rest in peace that I have this. I finally got this guy open. And you can see it's not a very difficult pinning. I mean, it's just all standards, 2 spools and a T-pin. But it is that keyway right there that is kicking your butt. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for sticking around for this. That was a tough one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. I'm probably going to fast forward through the whole picking process, because it's going to be a pretty long video. And I still got to do a introduction on this one. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and happy picking.